Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to send an emoji in a chat on the Telegram app using your PC with the newest update. It's a quick and fun way to add some expression to your messages. First, open the Telegram app on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Then, navigate to the chat where you want to send the emoji. This could be a conversation with a friend, a family member, or a group chat. Once you're inside the chat, look for the emoji icon at the bottom of the chat window. It usually looks like a smiley face. Click on this emoji icon once, and a panel with a variety of emojis will pop up for you to choose from. If you don't see it immediately, just click the emoji icon again to make sure it opens. Now scroll through the available emojis and find the one that perfectly matches the emotion or reaction you want to share. When you find it, just click on that emoji. It will appear in your message input box. Finally, click the send button or hit enter to deliver the emoji to your chat, and just like that, your emoji will be sent. Emojis are a great way to make your conversations more lively and fun, so don't hesitate to use them to brighten up your messages. Remember, the emoji panel is easy to reopen anytime you want to send more, so feel free to explore and experiment with different emojis each time you chat. That's all there is to it. Sending emojis on Telegram via PC is straightforward and instant. Thanks for joining in.